There she goes. Looks like clear skies ahead. All the way to the Owl's ancient library, Professor.
Ancient it is, and dangerous. Not many have ventured to go back, ever since it was overrun by some kind of monster.
Desperate times.
Called for desperate measures. Exactly, Lena. We need a map to find the Lightning Wizard's castle so we can secure the Sun Crystal.
Do you think the library will have that map?
If there's any place in the world that would have that kind of map, it would be in the Great Owl Library. Home to the largest collection of maps, painstakingly created and gathered by the ancient owls. I'm proud to say.
Should have asked the Star Sorceress for a few lessons. This is harder than I thought.
Well, maybe you should start small, Twitch. Take one small bite at a time, I always say.
Talk about you and your small bites. You're making a mess, Spike.
Sorry.
But these little ones might just give me some practice.
Don't hurt them, Twitch.
Don't worry. I'm just going to give them a little makeover. How about a touch of blue? Ooh, wrong color. But it sort of worked.
Yeah, not bad, Twitch.
One more time. Red, white, and blue. Still sending the wrong signals.
Twitch, I think she wants a makeover too.
Maybe a regular rainbow would suit her just fine.
Ah! We're here!
New color, Twitch?
I had a little accident with the magic wand, okay? Whoa! Whoop!
Paddle Pop.
Guys?
Don't worry, Spike. We just need to make our way to the library. Quietly.
Okay, Paddle Pop.
It's open.
Through this door lies a nest of knowledge, but entering through it will be of utmost challenge. Decide yea or nay you must, but once you touch this door, beware that you may turn to
Dust? This doorknob sure is dusty.
Twitch!
Huh?
Deadly
We're running out of lock is taking on a whole new meaning, Paddle Pop.
Hold on, Lena!
I'm getting nervous, Paddle Pop.
Hang in there, Spike! No pun intended.
Oh, my goodness!
Steady, Professor!
Exactly, Paddle Pop. Steady is the word. This contraption is meant to instantly destroy us if we don't maintain perfect balance. One small change in its equilibrium, then we're...
Alphabet soup, Professor.
In a nutshell, Twitch. Thank you.
All right, don't worry, guys. I'm going to find a way. What are you doing, Spike?
I'm scared. I have to get to you guys.
No, Spike! You're throwing everything off! Stop swinging, Spike!
Whoa!
Ah!
Professor! Lena!
Paddle Pop, don't make the mistake of leaving your position. Oh, no. My goodness! No turning back now!
Guys!
Lena! Arrows! I got you! Yeah! Twitch! Use your lassos to stabilize it, Lena. I'll get Twitch. If I can find him.
Here goes nothing! My goodness!
Just look for the blue ball!
That green slime wouldn't have looked good on you, Twitch.
You're right, Paddle Pop. I'll take pink any day.
What's happening?
Hold on, Twitch. It's deactivating.
Whoa! Stay close, Spike.
Where's the door, Professor?
Don't worry. We must be just a breath away from the inner chambers. If the old stories are true, this must be the last test. The final riddle.
Here is the riddle in a nice little package. 6 little items to help you find that knowledge. But first, you should be leaning towards finding the beginning. birds will chase fishes, and the fire will burn bright. But knowledge alone won't let your eyes see the light. You only need to know that solving riddles is an art, for all the answers lie where you can find the...
Okay, first you should be leaning towards finding the beginning.
Right. The beginning.
Hey, this stone's got nothing on it.
That must be it. You begin with nothing, right?
But what do we do? Step on it?
It won't hurt, I guess. Birds will chase fishes. Birds! Fishes!
And the fire will burn bright.
But knowledge alone won't let your eyes see the light.
You only need to know that solving riddles is an art. For all the answers lie where you can find the heart.
Whoa! Look at all those books! A student's worst nightmare.
Twitch?
Sorry.
All right, everyone. Let's hope this library has just what we need. Whew, a bit daunting, to say the least. But we have to dig in and find the map to the lightning wizard.
Right, Professor.
Oh, and I thought we were done with riddles. This is even worse. Like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But maybe this can help even the odds. Right. So here's the deal, Magic Wand. We need to find the lightning castle, see? And get the sun crystal. Or the darkness. That's right. The terrible darkness will rule over the land. And that's no good. We don't want that, do we? Now find me that map!
You alright, Twitch?
I'm fine, thanks. Lightning Castle. Lightning Castle!
Thanks a lot. We needed that.
And thanks for showing us the way in. We were having trouble with that too.
Where is it? Where's the map?
There's nothing to see here.
Stop right there! That's our map!
Oh, we'd really love to chat and get acquainted. But let me introduce you to a new friend instead. She really wants to say hi.
The monster!
Toodaloo.
Run! Go, 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 go!
Hey! You left me, you witches! Hey! Let go of me!
A talking book? Amazing!
Amazing? Me?
Here!
See you later.
Maybe never.
Get to the Phoenix!
Just go through the forest!
Paddle Pop!
I'm okay, Professor!
Where are we going, Twitch? Twitch? Twitch!
The spider webs are invisible! How are we going to get through?
My goodness, Paddle Pop!
There's more and more spider webs!
Visible webs. The lion sense can find the way. Lion sense. Follow me! Down here!
They're coming!
You're with me, Spike!
Let's go, Twitch!
I see it!
Hold on, Professor! Down here!
They're coming!
Paddle Pop!
Spike! I've got you!
Faster! Pull harder!
They've got Lena!
Lena!
Oh no!
Come on! Start the Phoenix, Lena! Lion strength!
Paddle Pop!
Huh?
Paddle Pop!
Use your colors to blind their eyes, Twitch! They won't be able to take it!
Colors? Your magic wand, Twitch! Oh, those colors!
Thanks, guys. The witches must also be after the sun crystal. We have to catch up.
I saw the path they took, but that can only take us so far.
Agreed, Lena. Without that map, there's no way we can find the lightning castle.
Wait! You saw the map, right, Twitch?
Briefly, yes.
Then you can probably still remember it.
But I can't read maps, Paddle Pop, and I ain't no navigator.
Don't worry, Twitch. You just have to try and remember.
Yes. With this general direction and your memory of that map, we can probably triangulate its location.
Well, all right, if you say so.
What's with all the positive energy around here?
Oh, it's just the way we are. Always supporting each other through thick and thin
Hold up. Okay, I'm about to throw up.
Oh,
Too much happy information.
sorry, Mr. Book.
Twitch! can you lose it? How hard is it to watch over a little book?
I'm sorry, but it was just so fussy.
Maybe you should babysit yourself next time, Miss Bossy Britches.
Well, maybe I will. Then I won't need you anymore.
Are you threatening me? I'll take you to the Witches' High Council if you break our partnership.
Girls, come on. We're family.
You'd better hold me back, Prostasia, or I'm bound to.
Why, you pompous rat!
Who are you calling a rat?
Oh, dear.